Hey everybody, it is Sunday and I have about an hour before I have to get to the pool, but I also have a webinar funnel to set up with Claude and meta ads. So basically I have been really fine-tuning my marketing funnel and I noticed I'm missing a webinar. I want to drive cold traffic to a webinar once a month where I can try to engage and get to know new people and try to convert them into Club Jam free trials. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do something like this when you have your marketing machine set up. So I figured I would just take you along for the ride. Let me get started and I'll share my screen now. So as you know, I've been working inside Claude for quite a while. So I have my marketing machine set up. And basically what that means is I've been creating my brand, my customer profiles, my tone, my voice, my guiding principles for how I do everything for my business. And I've been building this inside a file on my computer. And so all I'm doing is I'm going to open up a new Claude code, which I'm in right now, just in the desktop version. And I call basically my business Sutton. If you don't know, I name all of my AI agents and folders after Bravo reality because why not make it fun? And so all we're going to do is just simply tell Claude what I need because it already has all this information. So I'm taking you along for the ride. Let's go. Hey Claude, I need to add that meta ads campaign where we're going to be sending cold prospects to a webinar. I'm going to need to build the landing page and the funnel to get them registered for the webinar. And I'd like to use ActiveCampaign for my communication and tagging for this meta ads campaign. I'd like to do talking head ads in this campaign. So please provide some ideas around scripts. That would be 15 to 30 seconds that I can record while you build. So there we go. I'm just putting in the prompt and we'll see it get to work. While it's building, let me just show you kind of what it's pulling from. And just so you know, in our Club Jam AI marketing machine, I give you actually a skill package where you can build everything you need into your brand just in a skill. And that can be saved on your computer. It can go in Google Drive. It can go in Notion. I use something called Obsidian, which is, again, just another note-taking app on my computer. So here's mine, and I have everything broken up by different agents. So you can see here, I have like pictures, captions, posts. I have literally everything I do inside Claude right in here as well. So as I go through, I can click into my marketing, my operations, my executive and strategy, my biz dev. I have kind of all my YouTube strategy here as well. So just so you know, that's what's happening when it's pulling from information. So here it's saying, okay, I'll check what already exists because I have done something like this in the past. And so it's saying I will build out the landing page and funnel with ActiveCampaign, setting up the meta campaign structure and hand you talking head scripts. So it's just saying it'll do everything. It's now pulling into my ActiveCampaign and just kind of making sure it knows which group I want to send these to. Couple cool things. I have some plugins running here. You can see I have an ads create campaign and ad set. And basically these are, if you go to settings, plugins, and then you can type in ads, meta ads, you'll see some other plugins come up that you can install, and that's what I did. What it's doing right now, it's actually in my meta ads platform. And so it's actually creating the campaign, it's creating the ad set, and now it's creating the ads where I need to go film some talking heads. So it's just kind of creating the placeholders for them. And then once I'm done recording, I'll just send them over to my computer. I'll put them in my desktop and it'll grab them, put them into my campaigns, and then file them away. And you can see here it says talking head scripts, and I'll save everything to Bozma's folder. And so what that means is that Bozma is right here. It's my marketing agent. So everything it's building right now is going to those folders. Okay, you guys, that was so fast. I have plenty of time to get to the pool. So let's see what it built. It built us this registration page. All right. And basically it's a countdown, put in your name and email, save my seat. You might be wondering, how did it know how to build this so fast? Well, it's because it's something that we do in our marketing machine. So inside our file system, I have Stassi, my engineer. And so everything on how I build web pages, what they look like, it's all in here. So let's do a quick test. Cool, your seat is saved, add to calendar. Going to hit save, might as well put it on my calendar while we're at it, right? All right, so that's the registration page. And the first one is August 27th at 1 p.m. What it says now is every registration automatically gets tagged in my ActiveCampaign. And so that's going to be able to let me know if this meta campaign is successful or not. And the most amazing thing is that it actually built out all of my ads for me in my ads manager platform. And basically it gave me these scripts to just read. So I have my phone here. I'm gonna record them real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like on the end. Okay, so those took me about 8 minutes to record because I had to do a couple twice. So I'm just throwing them in here. And now it's going to go ahead and put these into my meta ads campaigns. So I'm gonna say, here are the ads. I mostly did them as you requested, but I changed them up a little bit. I now have 30 minutes to get to the pool, by the way, and I still have to pack snacks. So I hope this is done in about 5 minutes. So now Claude is my video editor. It's going in, it said, hey, I saw that you said you changed the words. So it's going to generate captions that match my brand. And it's going to use HyperFrames, which is a connector that I've installed. So if you want your Claude to be your video editor, I highly suggest checking out HyperFrames. It's a quick setup. And honestly, you just tell Claude you want to set up HyperFrames and it'll make it happen. I was able to multitask and go get dressed and pack up while it was editing, because this does take a little while. I bet this has been about 7 minutes while it's editing these videos. And now you can see it said all 5 videos are captioned, now loading the meta tools to upload and build the ads. And it's also deploying my landing page live using Vercel. So that's what it's working on now. So let's see what happens next. Okay, so here we are, and it edited my videos with these little captions. You can see them here. And then it also told me that it was able to set up my entire campaign, which I'll show you here, except for it needs me to do the ads, and I'm totally fine with that. It gave me all the content to do it, just because there's some preferences that I have around making things live without actually being in there. So I'm going to go ahead and make the ads, but it did make the campaign. And it gave me a daily budget of $25. And then I have an ad set. So this is the rules under the campaign. And now I need to put the ads into the ad set. And that's really easy to do. All I would do is come over here and hit ads and create. And it showed me exactly where I could find all the videos. So I'm gonna upload those now and put in the content that it gave me. I think that should take around 4 minutes, so I'm gonna get going on that and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so both ads are in. I'm just going to verify that we're all set, and then I have 10 minutes till I have to go, so I'm feeling like this is pretty good. All ads are in. Please verify that everything is running as it should, because I need to leave in 10 minutes. All right, so it was able to verify that my ads are set up correctly. It also just fired a real test campaign through my landing page, and it worked end to end. So I think I'm good to go. Remember, getting things up and just going before they're perfect is great. I'm gonna get this up and going, and then I check in on it and I'll iterate and make it better every time. Well, I hope this inspired you to help you get your marketing machine up and going so you can do tasks like this quick and easy. See you later.